Hey there friends. Instagram is the world's favorite visual discovery platform. Its visual storytelling format also makes it the perfect platform for marketing. Today we are going to show you how to create Instagram posts that generate lots of engagement and clicks to your websites and product pages. Getting started. Before we show you how to compose an Instagram marketing post, we need to show you how to insert external URLs that you can promote on Instagram. You see, you can't insert URLs into Instagram posts. That makes it impossible to share content that is outside Instagram, so all engagement happens inside the platform. You can circumvent this limitation by inserting your URLs into your profile though. Sign in to your Instagram account. Tap on the profile icon located on the lower right corner of your device's screen and then tap on Edit Profile. You can include 2 URLs to your profile. Use the website field to insert the URL that you are going to promote, and the bio field to insert the URL of your business website. This is because the website field is the only field where you can insert a clickable URL, so it is the best place to insert the URL where you want users to take action. In the bio field, on the other hand, you can insert a text-only version of your business website URL for brand awareness. In this example, we are going to promote the URL of an affiliate product, so we're going to add it to the website field. To add your URL, tap on the website field and paste the URL that you are going to promote. Make sure to always add a shortened version of your URL. Now tap on the bio field. Paste a text-only version of your website URL at the end of your bio. You can tap on Done when you are finished adding your URLs. Selecting media for your Instagram marketing post. Because Instagram is a visual discovery platform, you will have to take a photo, to upload an image, or to record a video for each post that you compose. To add media to a new post, you can tap the camera icon to take a picture or record a video, or you can tap on the plus icon located on the lower screen to access the gallery and upload an image from your device. In this example, we're going to select a product image from our gallery to promote our affiliate offer. Please note that stock images don't perform well on Instagram. Always focus on adding your own images to build trust. You can tap on Next to continue. You can edit your image or video by adding a filter and adjusting other settings. You can experiment with these settings to generate consistent visual effects that you can use on all your posts. By using the same visual effect on all your posts, you will increase brand recall. You can tap on Next to continue after you are finished editing your media. Composing an Instagram marketing post. Let's now compose an Instagram marketing post. The goal of an Instagram marketing post is to generate engagement, reach brand awareness, and product consideration among qualified members of your target audience. An Instagram marketing post doesn't necessarily have to follow a structure as long as it includes your target keywords, relevant search terms, a call to action if you're promoting an external URL, and hashtags. Let's start by composing a compelling caption where we target product keywords and search terms related to our affiliate offer. To increase curiosity, we are going to open our caption with a question where we target a product keyword. Next, we are going to add a relevant search term and a description of the affiliate product that we are promoting. Now we're going to type a call to action to encourage users to visit the referral link in our bio to learn more about the product. Now it is time to add your hashtags. Hashtags are a crucial element of an Instagram marketing post because they increase discoverability and make it easier for your target audience to find your content. You can add up to 30 hashtags to an Instagram post, but marketing studies have found that posts with a maximum of 9 hashtags perform the best. So let's start adding our hashtags. Only add keywords that are relevant to your post as hashtags. Always make sure to research the best hashtags for each post. For example, we researched keywords and search terms used by people looking for the type of products included in our offer, then we compared those keywords to results in hashtag searches on Instagram to find the best hashtags for our post. You can tap on Share when you are finished composing your new Instagram marketing post. And that's it. Thank you for watching.